We have lot of FIR file and also we have identified so many culprits. We have already identified and we have given some name also to the police. Violence torai tongo jaga sa जों खबर माइ tongo bori tongmani bor armani bisingni abo ni boro group taken khanda সেটা নিয়ে আমরা কথা বলবো কারণ আমরা এটা সত্যি কারণ ম্যাক্সিমাম সাপোর্টার আগে তো মাথা তো নেই মাথা তো নতুন they just from the party when they don't have any district committee they don't have a division committee they don't have primary committee they don't have village committee উনার কিছু নেই এখন হঠাৎ করে অত লোক জমছে they have got lot of supporter and I believe they also know maximum supporter I can say more than 60% supporter are CPM background ছেলে মেয়ে এটাই এরা বোধহয় ডিসিপ্লিন কন্ট্রোল করতে পারছে না কারণ তেপ্রামাথা at present they don't have a setup they don't have division committee they don't have primary committee down the line they don't have any infrastructure therefore I think maybe in the name of Motha everybody is taking advantage.
And what about the police, the allegation you brought?
Therefore we request the police department, I mean I have also as a minister I also appeal to them, so they say they'll take action immediately, so they have given assurance, let us see and we'll wait.
And what is, do you have any assessment on what damage have been done, what type of damage is mainly?
That is the assessment is going on because right now because this is continuous process going on, so today tomorrow, so maybe it will take time to get the assessment, so how many houses burn, how many the property destroyed.
Any pattern or any specific area where it has taken place?
It is specifically taken place in Khwai district, Khwai area and West and Sipaijola. Three districts is mostly affected. Khwai, West and Sipaijola. Other part also there are some but not major.
Sporadic.
This is sporadic. So main violence take place in these three districts. So today we will give the letter to DGP also will give letter. We'll give it letter to Home Minister. We already wrote a letter. So they said we'll see, we'll take the action. So we're waiting.
BJP people are also being attacked? Or
yes, both are affected. I know. When some BJP house also was vandalized, party office was destroyed. When BJP party office also destroyed, and mostly affected is IPFT party.
How many FIRs have been lost so far?
Right now I cannot say, but maximum we have lost the FIR. Why have lost the FIR? There's some power players. I mean, of course it's going on. But today also we lost the FIR. So now maybe more than 30, 50 FIR lost.
Any loss of life, unfortunately?
Loss of life is not yet, of course there's no loss of life till now. But there are so many seriously injured there. So they are hospitalized and they are under treatment.
দলের হিসেবে এখন পর্যন্ত কয়টি সন্ত্রাসের ঘটনা ঘটেছে
তো বলেছে প্রায় পার্টি অফিস প্রায় বোধহয় 20টা পার্টি অফিস ভেঙেছে around 20 party office so far my report maybe there are more and house maybe around 50 houses are destroyed and there are from a lake also they put the medicine and all poison. That is how, let us see.
So BJP has specifically said that the poor performance is the alliance is because of IPFT. What do you want to say?
Your reaction on
Who said it?
BJP spokesperson has specifically said that due to and even the MP has also said because of the alliance party we did not wanted to give them so many seats because of the alliance party the performance was so poor.
So for directly I don't have any information. If they say so, let us all discuss. We'll have a introduction. We'll jointly meeting will conduct. If they say so like that, then maybe we'll discuss.
And what was your expected victory? But why the result has become so poor?
I cannot say it's so poor because this year the election is actually I can say wave, like we say Modi wave. Naturally, it is true. This the fact that Maharaja is the first time he came out first time in his life, so people may not know. So because it's fresh, So everybody is have a soft corner of him. So people are maybe directly, indirectly, they have cast the vote. Since he's the new person, so and you know the among the tribal, the soft corner of him. So he have a lot of this in. That's why I think that this is a wave of the
So
Maharaja.
you want to say that due to the personal charisma
Charisma,
of Maharaja, the votes have been swayed towards.
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so.
And Greater Tipraland has not been an effect because being in the party, in the government, you could not bring Tipraland issue as a whole in 3 years. When you are in the government, you can, there's a different way of, do you think that has also affected you?
That is not true, but see, people are sometimes, see, the partner IPFT, that is also, we can say, drawback, we can say. With a short period of time, 3 years performance of IPFT and BJP, that performance is not really, we cannot spread to the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal. Otherwise, our performance is much, much better than the previous government, even for the welfare of our people. Yes, yes. As you just now said, if any BJP person, or person or whatever he may be, if he says so, it is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. Maybe he is politically immature. But I can say that much. If he says so. Otherwise, we should have combined discussion, combined meeting, then only we will know what is what. But suddenly uttering this kind of sentence, it is not very nice. It is not very comfortable for us.
But do you accept that Greater Tipraland has been a turn in the politics?
That is I cannot say. I cannot say. I cannot say.
Because before election, your Tipraland was a great issue when before pro-2018 election.
See, actually, the issue is always there. We also raising the issue. We are not compromising. But saying Greater Tipraland, still people are maybe confused. People maybe do not realize what is the real meaning of Greater Tipraland. I think so. So they will explain to people. People will slowly came to know what is Greater Tipraland.
So another question, is it true that the IPFT candidates did not get enough support from the BJP where they are treated as alliance candidates?
That is, I will not say this directly, indirectly, but I believe this is a flu of Maharaja. It's a wave of Maharaja is the main reason, I think, why this election has actually
Sweep.
sweep in the name of Maharaja. Not in the name of anything, but only Maharaja is the main center point who cast the vote. Maybe old, because as you know, this is fresh, new. Everybody like new person. No? So ultimately, if he work nicely, if he perform better, then people will just according to his performance, according to his activities. But now people, we cannot say who is bad, who is good. But I can say that much, that since he's a fresh, it's a new person, so people are expecting him.
But your party once going with Maharaja, again coming back, has that not affected your image also? Your party's image, I mean.
That is actually, that also may be matter, but still we cannot penetrate this idea, why we not join to them, why we are coming out. That matter we cannot actually explain to the people of Tripura. Thank you. First of all, I would like to give my regard to all the media's friend for responding our call to attend this press conference. Poilano ang joton hambay marogo tini press bondu rogno tini oro tini press briefing khana phaimani bagai Poilano ang hambay ronai tini buisu bisi ketal angui tongo tini Korea matani der aban bagai joton no tini tiprani basi rogno te tipra sarogno te jotto tiprani boro rogno ani khakofur Kaketang by Hambay Yafaro, Chini Bushu Bisikutalni Mungui. Table Sing Hambay Yafarnai, Dino Dorago, chini thangnai edis songmari o songmari go chini kabangma chini borok rok chini party no lak kasa booth likha abni bagai puilla borono belai che hambai e khakchamo ya faro chini booth arok no. Today we have an emergency CC meeting held 13 to 14 April. In this executive committee meeting, we have resolved 4-point agenda, which I want to declare with the press. In this CC meeting, we resolve one number agenda in order to contain post-election violence. Further stringent action must be taken up by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop, and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house, and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the section of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compelled to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement, whole of the state, especially in Addis area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, but maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in this area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident. We have a lot of FIR file and also we have identified so many culprits directly, indirectly who involved in this violence. We have already identified and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I am also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPFT party would be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement if situation continue. Tini ang sanamusugo, tini press ni bisingti. 10 tarik ni hoite, tini poento. Violence torai tongo, jaga chas jeng khobor main tongo, nok soksago, auto soksago, event burini, godnani, rangsak riksak rok seitlang thango, tebo se kabang manukha, ar marini sebaigui, rang lak even ini simna nin abo subol singo prai 6 lakh rang boni tongmani bon armani bisingni abo pointe borok lut khaitlang thangka taibu bele bana masungsa পুখুরি রগ বিথি রই রগু তুই নুজনে কল আরো বিথি রই রগু কুয়া রগ তাই মাইরং রগ যে সাদা মাইরং তমানি আ মাইরং রগ কেরোসিন বুলি রগু আবার বেলে ওয়ানা মাসিংসা অবহাই দে তংমুং অবহাই দে গতনা আবার কোনো দিন ইয়াকো আবার বাগৈ যে কোনো বড়ফোনে ইনভলভ থং হি মে বিলং টু এনি পার্টি পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি কালপ্রিট ইজ কালপ্রিট আপনি অ্যাকশন মানা নাই আপনি বগৈ আং কই নাই চিনি স্পেশালি চিনি টিপ্রামথানি ভলান্টিয়ার রগন বিকজ উই ডু নট নো ইন দ্য নেম অফ টিপ্রামথানি বমুং নাগৈ অমাহাই বরক সামংখ্লাইও তাবক ফানো চিনি বরক কবাংমা খারৈমা তঙ্গ নিনি খুয়াই রগ নিনি আহতলা রগ তেলামরা রগ চিনি টিপ্রাসা রগ বরক টাউন ফাইমা দं ফাইयो বরক বেলাইখানে অসিবা তঙ্গ जों नुबखा जों मोनेसके दङ आबाद मान कयनाय चीन सरकारनोबो जों कयनाय इमिडिएट रिलिफ करना बागै तै गभर्नमेन्ट प्रशासन थांगै नि तहसिलदार बा जिकुनु इनकरेक्ट खालायो बरे नक सकसाजांमानि नक खामानि इभेन मालमाटा बरो लांगै थाङो तै भेरि इन्टारेस्टिं इन द नेम अफ टिप्रामथा और साम एलाइड अर्गानाइजेशन बरो रिसिभ बागो बिजागे सब खायना होनै बरो रिसिभ बागो बरो रां चांदा सानो অনেকজন বড় जों नुबखा চিনো রিসিভ বুতঙ্গ 10,000 20,000 30,000 খাই বড় রিসিভ পানি রগো টিপ্রামথানি বমুংতৈ চিনো রিসিভ তঙ্গ তৈ শুধু রিসিভ বিয়া ফোন বাই দंকি রগো রাং মারি ফাইनाय 10,000 20,000 30,000 অমাই खलाय जों चिनो गोबां रिपर्ट दङ अब बेलायखे दुर्भाग्य कपाल हामिया बरे बागै जों अमन सानाय चिनो आइपिएफ पार्टी जों नाय दङ जों तै सज्ज खालायमांग्ला जदिसि अमाय जों कन्टिनिउ दंख्लाय जों तुदे तुमरु जों दिसमनाय जों सारा त्रिपुरा राज्य नाके जों बन करेनाय जों रास्ताखौ खालायनाय जों जे डेमोक्रेटिक मुभमेन्ट पिसफुल मुभमेन्ट जों खालायनाय अब बागै आं कयनाय चिनि भाषण कयनाय तै चिन पाब्लिक जेकुनु पार्टी फान अंथुं आं बरनो कयनाय अमहाय भाइलेन्स अमहाय तमुं सित्रा जाते तांथुं उनि बागै आं बारबानि कयसागो जोंनो कम्पेल टाख्लायदि चिनि जों नाहरै तंख आनि भलन्टियार रक आनि पाब्लिक रक गोबां माताबन हाजार जोंनो फन खाय दंग যদি অমাহাই কে তংখা তিনিবো ঘোষণা খানাখা মানদাইগ অটো সকসাই দখা আও जों रिपोर्ट माइ दंग अबाहाय যদি कन्टिनिउ दंखलाय जों बिसि नायसिंग्ला आनि स्ट्राइक नायसिंग्ला जों पिसफुल खालाय जों डेमोक्रेटिक मुभमेन्ट जोंबो खालायनाय हामबाय